Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this Spackle wall repair kit with scraper. So let's get started. Okay, inside the pack you get sandpaper, you get a scraper, you get gloves, and you get the wall repair kit. Wall repair whitening durable. Let's go ahead and actually test this out. Okay, twist the cap off. Break the seal. Once you break the seal, put this cap on, and all you do is squeeze, squeeze. And when you're done using it, take this cap off, put this cap back on, and you can use it for multiple times. So guys, as you can see in our kitchen, we have this nice little hole here. So I want to patch this up. We had something hanging there and we no longer have it there. So we're going to go ahead and patch that up. Line it up, squeeze it in. Once you got enough in, go ahead, pull away. Take your blade here, smooth it out like that. Make sure you get it nice and smooth. Apply pressure. This will allow it to be pushed inside and stay inside for a little bit. And again, you just kind of go around so it can fill all the corners and smooth out just like that. Then once it's dried off, you can sand it down a little bit to make it even more smooth, and then you're ready for painting. When you're done, wipe off your blade, and what I like to do is kind of squeeze it inwardly like this. That pulls solution down inside. You can set it up a little bit upright like that for a little while. But yeah, guys, we're done, and that's it. It's that simple. Wall repair kit works great. It's drying, and we've let it sit for a while. I'll come back probably in another hour and check it. But yeah, this is working great. Very easy to use, guys. I mean, it's not hard, so when you squeeze it, it comes out pretty quickly, so just squeeze it slowly. And yeah, guys, works great.